Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to analyze ATAI Life Sciences stock as someone from my subscribers asked to me about this stock. Okay, before starting, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press notification bell, like my video and let's get started. Here we can see it's already 293% of plus from lowest point. Who is invested in this red zone? I am saying my congratulations to everyone who invested in these points and my recommendation to hold your positions right now. Okay, let's go to the financials, go into the website and let's see who are the holders of the stock. Now the first thing, let's go to the financials. Market cap, you can see here $841 million. This stock is not paying dividends. About employers, just 54 people. When it's founded, it's 2018 and CEO is this person. Here's a website. I will join to the website later. Here by ownership, what we can see here, closely held shares is close to 32%, free float shares around 68%. Capital structure, we can see market cap and debt level. The debt level is pretty small, that's pretty good. About cash equivalents, you can see how much, enterprise value, and all this data is provided here, as you can see here. About valuation, what we can see here, there's only market cap, but about net income and revenue is unknown here. Go down here, we can see growth and profitability, about performances, and we can see everything in minus for quarter one and also for annual one, anything in minus. So go down, revenue breakdown by source of business. The income sources is mental health treatments. By country, it's United States, Germany and Canada in 100%. I don't know why they didn't divide between United States, Germany and Canada. They just combine each other and wrote here 100%. Go down here, I said it's not dividend stock. About debt level and coverage for quarter one, we can see they increased the debt level. About annual one, we can see actually they have pretty low level of debt. Financial position analysis for quarter one like this, short term and long term. Assets are higher than liabilities, that's pretty good. About annual, we can see long term goes higher. Okay, this is about financials. Let's see who are the holders of this stock. And we can see industry. This is biotechnology and healthcare stock. So this is pretty high risk but high reward stock. Let's see the holders right now. Top institutional holders. The first place is UBS Group AG. Second place is Morgan Stanley. Around you can see shares 5.5 million, 3.29 million, and only just 2.76%. And the Morgan Stanley 1.64%. So the value is around close to $14 million of Morgan Stanley and $23 million UBS Group AG. We can see there is no holders are as a BlackRock or Vanguard Group. They are absent. Where is Vanguard Group? Where is BlackRock? I didn't find here. Top mutual fund holders, we can see Morgan Stanley Institutional Fund encryption portfolio around less than 0.5%. It's just 0.26%. They hold little bit only. So this is about top mutual fund holders. You can see the names of funds. By the way, Now let's see the website. So they are creating new possibilities for mental health patients, and we are clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing new mental health treatments to transform patient outcomes, focusing where the most people have the fewest options. Here, depression, social anxiety discover, for example, cognitive impairment associated with schizophrenia, and we can read another information leading with empathy backed by deep experience, developing patient first evidence-based therapies or something else. In the news, we can see here Fire Pharma, Nasdaq, Discover, Forbes, and Business Insider. Here you can download their corporate presentation. Anyways, so this is about mission and values, leadership team, careers, ATAI impact, programs. You can see pipeline or something else about investors. We can see a different information stack, feelings, shareholder services, corporate governance, stock information, and news events. Let's see the careers. I want to see the job opportunities if they have it right now. Current openings, create a job alert. There are no current openings, so they have no openings. If you want to meet with website, I will leave the link down below and you can see each program, for example, or another information here. Here is a pipeline, for example, and you can see our research is focused on developing rapid acting, effective, and durable mental health treatments for large scale patient impact, and you can see all these things, programs, indication. Anyways, here you can read all these programs later after my video. If you are interested and you hold this stock, you can read this information. What is my recommendation? Is it making sense to buy right now or not? So look, it's already 293% of plus from this point, for example. Or let's take in average, let's change the point. For example, you invested here in average, and it's still 200% expensive. It means 3 times expensive. Okay, what different? So if you buy in current price and the price will reach to the all-time high, so you will get only 400% profit. But if you invest it in early stages on the lowest point, the most lowest point, you have more than 2000%. So the big difference, right? 2000% and 400%. Okay, let's reduce. For example, you invested in average here, for example, like this 1.45. Okay, it's more realistic because only less than 1% of people invested in the most lowest point, and it's in the most cases it's not possible to invest in these points because of you are not guess the best price to invest. So you invested average in this point here, and from that point you have around momentum, you will have around 1478%. It's almost 1500% profit, and it's also pretty good if we compare to this point. And again, there is a high risk to crash, but I think the price will continue growing and the price may not crash because this stock is already get out from this accumulation period. So I think maybe the crash minus 20% and then continue the growing. Let's see the possibilities. If the price will crash here, minus 30% will be. If the price will crash here, so it can be possible to crash minus 41%, but I don't think that the price will return here or even here minus 75%. And even I don't believe that the price will crash minus 30%. Maybe the price could crash minus 13%, just make you fair to sell, and then they continue the growing, go up, continue going up. So let's see the situation later. Let's just follow and let's see. I am not investing because I think it is absolutely not making sense to invest for me. Personally, for me, it's my opinion. If you really want, it's your decision to invest or not. But I am not investing in this stock when it's already 200% expensive. That is my position. So almost 11 minutes that I am talking about this stock. Thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. I have also Telegram channel of investing in crypto and stock market. You can join. Feel free to send request and I will approve your request to my Telegram channel. Okay, would you like to see another videos about ATAI? Please let me know in comments. Which stock you prefer to analyze? Which stock is favorite for you? You can let me know in comments and may I analyze that stock for you. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye. And I forgot to say that there is a grid. You are investing in grid and it's not correct in my opinion. Analysis rating is strong buy. Analysis of course they are saying strong buy because after growing, of course. And 1 year price target is 169%. That's funny percent, by the way, because the price that could be reached here, it could be happen even in the end of this year or maybe in 2026. It can be possible to reach this point, in my opinion, or even 2027. But again, I think 2026 or 2027 it can be the year of the crisis. Again, I could be wrong. Let's follow the situation and let's see what will be happen. Okay guys, bye bye.